On March 16, 2025, a press conference was held to announce something no one had ever heard of before: a vast underground network of structures and voids beneath the Pyramid of Khafre, stretching 2 kilometers through the bedrock of the Giza Plateau. This includes spiral shafts reaching depths of up to 648 meters, along with other artificial formations that cannot be attributed to natural causes. But the announcement didn't pass quietly. It sparked widespread debate and confusion. Thousands were excited about the discovery, while others were critical. So, how true is what was announced? Listen, I won't ask you to subscribe. I'd rather just focus on making something worth your time. If you end up enjoying it, you'll know what to do. To understand the announcement, we must go back to 2022 when two Italian researchers, Filippo and Corrado, conducted a scan of the Great Pyramid using SAR, a remote sensing technology that relies on satellites. This technique, known for decades, uses microwave signals and their reflections to produce high-resolution images on Earth's surface. It can penetrate buildings and shallow subsurface layers, making it ideal for archaeological surveys, even in darkness or bad weather. However, SAR is limited in depth, typically penetrating only a few dozen meters, dependent on soil composition. SAR is widely used in military and archaeological fields to detect buried structures. The radar data was processed using custom-designed software that converted the results into a 3D model, allowing viewers to see gaps and chambers on screen. While the 3D model appeared primitive, it was practical and sufficient for their research. The initial results included detailed mapping of known and lesser-known internal passages of the Great Pyramid, such as the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, Grand Gallery, and Lower Chamber, along with ventilation shafts. However, most of these voids had already been revealed by another global team known as Scan Pyramids, so this study didn't receive much attention and was considered to offer little new. Still, the study raised the point that the Great Pyramid, constructed from massive stone blocks, remains full of mysteries, especially regarding how it was built so precisely in such a short time. It proposed that the pyramid might not have just been a tomb, but could have had vibrational or resonant chamber properties, though these theories require further investigation. After this initial study, the team moved on to Khafre's pyramid, the second largest on the plateau. They repeated the same SAR scanning process, produced another 3D model, and presented it at a recent press conference. This model revealed massive structures beneath Khafre's pyramid, including tunnels, passages, and other chambers. That's when the real uproar began, both online and in the press, with people either supporting, doubting, or outright attacking the findings. The 2025 conference had huge press attendance and was heavily publicized. Since the scientific paper wasn't published along with the announcement, journalists and influencers speculated widely. Some even mistakenly cited the 2022 Khufu study as the source of the Khafre findings, confusing readers about which pyramid the discovery actually concerned. The reported features were astonishing. Spiral wells over 648 meters deep, more than 4 times the height of the pyramid, with 8 of them. In addition, 2 kilometers of rock panels were reported, numbers that seem almost unbelievable. Since SAR technology typically penetrates only a few dozen meters, how did it detect structures 600 meters deep, let alone 2 kilometers? This raises serious technical questions that await clarification in the upcoming research paper. The 3D renderings shown at the conference included bizarre spiral columns and voids that resembled mechanical parts rather than stone structures. This gave the impression of a giant stone machine shocking some and causing backlash. However, these were just software-generated visualizations of woods, not photographic evidence. In my opinion, years may pass before we can confirm or debunk the accuracy of this discovery. There is no absolute truth or falsehood yet. Clearly, the team is onto something and will likely strengthen their findings while addressing weaknesses. Remember the Scan Pyramids team in 2017? When they announced two voids in the Great Pyramid, they were accused of pseudoscience. Yet, 6 years later, they were vindicated after inserting a camera into the smaller void, revealing a 9-meter-long corbelled passage. The team claims to have found large-scale, non-natural constructions with geometric patterns under Khafre's pyramid, something that appears with the naked eye in the plateau's visible tunnels. Well, some of the figures, like a 2-kilometer deep man-made cavity or 5 hidden chambers, may be errors or exaggerations. The door is now open for further investigation. Ultimately, I'm not rushing to accept or reject the claim. I hope for more data and verification. On the bright side, this opens a new frontier in pyramid research using advanced sensing technology, possibly unlocking more secrets of these miraculous structures. The team will likely publish a paper soon and may revise some details. Deeper analysis and possibly on-site excavations could follow to determine whether the structures are truly artificial, naturally formed, or a mix. This process could take years or even decades. To support this theory and offer greater clarity, we will launch a dedicated series of episodes that explore everything left out of the official version. Each episode will dive deep into hidden details, potential cover-ups, and acknowledge anomalies and alternative interpretations, backed by data, visuals, and critical analysis. Stay tuned as we uncover what may be the greatest archaeological mystery of our time.